Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I hope everyone is well. Today I'm making something that I really enjoy guys. I'm making a meatloaf and I want you guys to come and check it out with me. Alright guys, this is the ingredients and I want you guys to check this out. I have a Sazon Pack, what you guys have been asking about, and this is how they come. I have 2 slices of bread. I have my hamburger meat, milk, eggs, oyster sauce. I have a Lipton onion soup mix, guys. I have white pepper. I have garlic powder, and I have hamburger seasoning, ketchup, mustard, and you guys see the onion and green peppers. I'm going to saute this up, guys, and then we're going to rock and roll with this recipe. All right. All right, guys. I'm using Land O'Lay. It's butter with olive oil and sea salt. That's what we're going to saute those onions and green peppers with, so we can put them into our meatloaf. That's what we're going to do. Putting that in there, just like that, guys. And this is awesome. If you haven't tried it, try it. Okay? Just a little bit. Oh, that smells amazing. Let it go around for 2 or 3 minutes. You want this to be soft once it enters into that meatloaf, guys. Okay. And so that's it. We'll let this go for 2 minutes, maybe 3. And I'll be right back, guys. Ready? Alright, guys, I'm back. And I got that hamburger in there. And I'm going in with what we just sauteed. Okay, that's going on there. Then I'm going to go in with my hamburger seasoning. Then I'm going to go in with lots of garlic powder. Okay. Then I have, you can use white pepper or black pepper, guys. Use the seasoning of the black one or the white pepper is awesome. Then we're going to go in with our oyster sauce. Okay. Just a couple of dabs of that. Then we're going to go in with some ketchup, guys. Then you want to go in with your Sazon Pack. Oh, God. And just a little salt. You don't need much. All right? So that's all your seasonings there. Then you want to put your egg in. 1 large egg. Okay? Now, once you do that, guys, you want to go in and work all of this together. Okay? Just like this. You want to put it all together just like that. See how I'm working that together? I'm sharing my food today, guys, with my neighbor. Okay. Okay. Now we got that in there. We worked it together. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys. Now I'm going in with my Lipton onion soup. We got that in there. And what I'm going to do now, guys, I have these 2 pieces of bread. And I'm going to pour the milk over the bread. You guys see that? And I'm working that bread through. This is going to make your your meatloaf very, very moist and tender. Okay? So we got that in there. Now I'm going to go in with 2 capfuls of A1. Okay, we got our A1. And I'm going in with my mustard. And now we're going to mix all of this together, guys. Combine it up. And then we'll get our shake. It even feels delicious. How about that, guys? So that's all to it. You want to work all of that together. You don't want a dry meatloaf. You could use crackers if you don't have bread. You could always use your crackers. But you want to put something in there to bind it together and keep it very moist. Okay, we're going to put this into my aluminum pan, guys. Saucepan. I'm going to get that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I've drained my oil off of my hamburger meat and that's what we're looking like. It's very moist, guys. Very moist. I'm going to show you how to make a red sauce really quick here. We just want to put some ketchup into the skillet. Say about 5 squirts of it. You want 1 cap of vinegar. Don't have to fill it up all the way. Just a little bit of vinegar. Then you're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And you're going to bring that all together. Okay? I'm going to add a little more ketchup, guys. Then I'm going to put a little hamburger seasoning on here. A little pepper. And garlic powder. Come on in, Kimberly, so I can see this. And just a pinch of salt, guys. Just a little bit. And you just want to bring that around. It's going to be an awesome sauce. An awesome red sauce. See that red sauce? Okay, so that's what you want right there. See that sauce? If you choose to, you can put tomato paste in there, guys, but I don't think you need it. After you put your vinegar in there, season your ketchup up, then you got an awesome sauce here. Okay, got your brown sugar in there, and you just want to put it over, just like that. I'm going to put this back in the oven for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's really moist, very juicy meatloaf. Alright guys, I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'll be back. Alright guys, this is what our meatloaf is looking like. But I do want to let you guys see the inside. I want to cut it, let you guys see it, and let you see how moist it is on the inside. Let me grab a knife and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm cutting into it. And look at that. Look how beautiful and juicy that is on the inside. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, guys. This is going to be my awesome meatloaf with mashed potatoes and string beans today. Voila! Bye-bye.